In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace an engine air filter in a Nissan Maxima. It is located under the hood and in the airbox. Let's get started. We're going to open our hood and make our way to our airbox and locate these two clamps. We're going to pop these open, lift the airbox up, and pull it out. And now we can remove our filter. Now to install our new air filter, just lift the airbox again and slide it in. Make sure it's fully seated, and now we can reinstall our airbox. Just push down and secure the clamps.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.